What's up guys, Earl here of Good Tech, and in April, Smart has rolled out the prepaid version of its Smart 5G Rocket Wi-Fi. It's basically a pocket Wi-Fi but with support for the telco's 5G network. You can get multiple devices to it via Wi-Fi or Ethernet and allows you to subscribe to Smart's data promos including the Only 5G. We got our hands on one, so let's check it out. The Smart Bro 5G Rocket Wi-Fi package comes with the pocket Wi-Fi, manual, promo brochure, SIM card, and USB Type-C charging cable. The Smart Bro 5G Rocket Wi-Fi unit is larger than the typical pocket Wi-Fi in the market, which can be attributed to the additional features and bigger battery, which we'll talk about later. The unit they are offering is made by Green Pocket with the model number M5G7760. It's almost made out of plastic with a matte finish but feels solid. The front part houses the colored touchscreen, LED indicator, and power button. On the top side, we have the USB Type-C port for charging. At the bottom side is the Ethernet port. Found on the left and the right sides are the vents. Underneath are more vents and the Smart 5G label. When you switch on the Smart Bro 5G Rocket Wi-Fi, the LED indicator will light up and the Smart Bro splash screen will be displayed. The boot up takes up to 20 seconds, and after that, the SIM will be activated and will provide a free 100 MB of data. There's also a 250 pesos credit voucher once you subscribe to any Giga promos via the Giga Life app. From here, you can connect to its Wi-Fi network using the default username and password. The TFT display is a tiny 2.4 inches, but enough for navigating the UI. The resolution is low with poor viewing angles, but enough to make the interface legible. The welcome screen shows the signal strength and signal type, either 5G, 4G, or 3G, the number of devices connected, time, and battery level. Slide to unlock and you will have access to the connection guide, power saving features, SSID, SMS, and device information. For the SMS, you can only view the message but cannot respond and send. The Smart Bro 5G Rocket Wi-Fi features a Qualcomm Snapdragon X55 modem and supports 5G and broadcast Wi-Fi in 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. We don't have any problems with the Wi-Fi signal, although do take note that your internet speed will depend on the mobile signal you're getting. If you're getting 5G, great. Otherwise, it will use 4G. In our place in Bacoor, Cavite, we're ranging from 20 Mbps to 90 Mbps. It can be faster or slower depending on your location. What makes the Smart Bro 5G Rocket Wi-Fi interesting is the Ethernet port. The advantage here is that you can use it to directly connect your desktop or laptop via wired means. Providing power to the Smart Bro 5G Rocket Wi-Fi is a 5260 mAh battery, which could last a whole day in 5G. There's no fast charging and reverse charging. The Smart Bro 5G Rocket Wi-Fi is priced at 15,995 pesos, which is pricey for a pocket Wi-Fi. Alternatively, you can get a more affordable 5G-enabled smartphone. However, if you want a device dedicated to providing you a 5G connection and has LAN features, this is the only option available. The Smart Bro 5G Rocket Wi-Fi is available at Smart's online store. So what do you guys think about the Smart Bro 5G Rocket Wi-Fi? Are you getting one for yourself? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YouGetCheck.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Aurel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.